Ikaw ba ay isang business owner at naghahanap ka ng affordable at perfect na commercial lot para sa business mo? Look no further. Dito sa Royal Peninsula, may perfect lot kami para sa business mo. Introducing 515 square meter titled commercial lot at located lang ito sa Subic Bypass Road, Mangandwaka, Subic, Zambales. At ito ay 3 to 6 minutes away lang mula sa Subic City Hall, Public Market, Pure Gold, Jollibee, McDo, Walter Mart at iba pang establishment. At alam nyo ba, pwede nyo itong i-avail ng lot only for only 11,000 per square meter. At hindi mo na kailangan maglabas ng buong halaga dahil for only 30% down payment, pwede ka na mag-avail through bank financing up to 20 years to pay with customized house construction. At pinaka-importante, hassle-free ang proseso. Kami na ang bahala sa title transfer and utility connections, bank loan assistance, complete architectural and building plans. Ito na ang perfect na investment na hinahanap mo. A prime location, a hassle-free process, at isang siguradong high-value commercial property para sa business mo. Pero take notes, limited lots lang ito. So kung ito na ang lote na perfect para sa business mo, message us now or call 0938-893-7238 and set your site viewing with us.